So that's us at Manchester Airport. We drove down from Glasgow at 9 this morning after dropping pickles off. So we're just relaxing with some champagne before we go to Bulgaria for my first ever ski holiday. Sunday the 23rd of February, but we've just been down for breakfast and we're getting ready now in our ski gear. Jonathan is a snowboarder, he's a very experienced snowboarder. I had never been on skis until recently. I've been getting some lessons on the dry slopes in Glasgow, and we have flown all the way to Bulgaria for our first ski/snowboard holiday. Jonathan's brought some skis with him as well, just so he can help me a little bit on the slopes. Today's our first full day though, so we've got to go into town from the hotel. There's a minibus, and pick up Jonathan's ski pass for the week and get me like a day pass for today. And I think we're just gonna get the lay of the land a bit today. Jonathan's maybe gonna teach me a few bits here and there. And yeah, just see what it's like really, get our bearings. We've got a lovely view out the window, so I'll show you that. So this is our view from the hotel room. Look how cute. So much snow. And I've noticed there's some animal tracks there, so find out what those are maybe today. Okay, this is the fit check for today.
Do I get a fit check?
Yeah, go on.
Good, fit check.
Very stylish. Look at him move.
Snow!
It's 11:30. I have done my first green slope. It's a pretty short one and I did fall, but I did some nice lazy meandering from side to side until there was a bit of a steep bit, and then I panicked and fell. But then I got back up with the help of a random man and meandered about again. I have also learned the button lift, which is a lot easier than everyone warned me. Jonathan says I'm being very annoying.
Yes, she does not take direction at all.
We now have a warm wine. Jonathan has took his boots off because his feet are sore. He's just putting them back on. I'm finishing my warm wine and then we're gonna have another go. So this is where we are. We're at a bar called the Silver Fox, straight onto one of the little green slopes there. So we're back in the hotel now. We have just had a little wine in the lobby, which was lovely. We're gonna go and check out the spa. It could be quite busy today. I think pretty much everyone's come back from the slopes at the same time, but we'll see. We're gonna just check it out. What do you think of the spa?
Lovely. This is better than any spa I've been in.
Yeah. And this is real salt. So we are back in our room from the spa. We have gotten ready for dinner after having a little nap and a cocktail. Quick recap of the day. What was your favourite bit?
The spa was amazing.
Yeah, the spa was incredible. I've done some skiing. I've made a little bit of improvement, I think, from the dry slope, so that's fine. I think tomorrow I'm gonna have a chill day, a spa day, so that Jonathan doesn't have to babysit me basically, and he can go off and do some snowboarding because I know he's itching to. Gonna head down to dinner now after I've sorted out this helmet hair. I bought one of these cheap like heated brush things from Amazon. I think it was about 13-14 pounds. I thought it might be quite good for like dealing with helmet hair and sprucing my hair up a bit, so let's see. Oh, it does. I mean, that's a marked improvement already. Have fun.
I will.
Be safe. It is 1:30 in the afternoon. I've been in the spa all morning and then I just came back to the room to get ready. Jonathan's gone up all the big boy slopes in his snowboard. I just wanted him to have some time where he wasn't babysitting me basically. So I've had a really chill morning, read some of my book, which I would highly recommend. It's called My Paris Dream by Kate Betts, who was the youngest ever editor of Harper's Bazaar, and about how she moved to Paris in the 80s, worked her way up as a fashion journalist. So that's a really good read if you're into fashion. Now I'm gonna go on the minibus into town and meet Jonathan for lunch and a little bit of après. And there's also some really good looking shops, so I think we're gonna have a little look around them. On your lap. Good morning. It is now Tuesday morning and I am back off on the slopes again today. Feeling a little more confident, so gonna give it a go on the bunny slope again, see if I can get any better. Fingers crossed at some point this week I can actually go to the long green slope that goes all the way from the top. Just curled my hair a little bit so that it comes out cutely from my helmet, although for some reason this side's not playing ball as much as the other side. So it's been snowing a little bit this morning. Visibility's, well, it's not sunny, but the visibility's okay. Nah, it's a bit better. Maybe I'll just, there, that's a bit more even. Get yourself a man who carries your shoes and your skis, so that you don't have to. So, first time on the gondola for me. It's a little bit old and rickety. Ooh. Why did he do
Now. There. Well, that's never happened before.
Huh?
You got that on camera, Jesus.
What the hell? give you some context, so far, all I've done is this many, many times, okay? Now, we're up here, and I've got to do all of this.
And she will be fine, she's just worried for nothing. Oh shit! I'm okay, keep going.
Good morning, it is now Thursday. We spent most of the day skiing yesterday and then a little bit of après, although it was quite quiet as you'll see. Today we're going to do, well I'm going to do a half day skiing today because I'm getting a little bit tired. I'm going to try and do the long green again and the other greens. Jonathan's going to help me with a few drills I think. And yeah, it was just amazing to get down that long green, so I really want to do it again. Maybe try a little bit more speed, a little bit more control. And then we're going to come back and chill at the spa because we missed it yesterday quite a bit. I was going to turn to see Jonathan, but Jonathan's just taking his clothes off, so I don't think I'm going to. So I have gone for a banana margarita and Jonathan's gone for a classic one. Cheers! That is good.
Eat it all.
Oh, there we go. So it's now Saturday, not been super active on the vlog, just a lot of the same really, a lot of going skiing, going to the spa. I had a lovely massage yesterday. Unfortunately though, Jonathan has contracted what we think is norovirus. As you can see, he's not doing his best, but we're now packed. The boss doesn't come to collect us for the transfer until I think 5:45 tonight. We have managed to get a late checkout of 2 PM just because Jonathan's poorly. But overall, it's been a lovely holiday. I had my moments where it was very nerve-wracking skiing, but it is all quite new to me, so I think that's fair enough. I think I'm probably going to head back to the spa for a little bit today because we've still got most of today left. Jonathan's probably going to nap realistically, or he might be able to nap by the pool for a bit perhaps. And other than that, we'll probably sit in the bar for a bit, maybe have a wee drink, or I will. Jonathan will have some electrolytes, which I luckily brought with me. And yeah, that'll be us. Back to Manchester late tonight and then driving up north to Glasgow. I can definitely get the whole ski holiday thing now. It was super new to me, having only done sunny holidays or weekend city breaks. Would definitely recommend the hotel. It's been really nice, particularly the spa. The food's been good too. It's very modern, the whole thing's been refurbed. Definitely come again. So I will see you all in the next one. Bye.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too